Whenever you're at Disney World, having your phone in the parks is a must, whether you're using the My Disney Experience app or you just want to take some pictures. But how do you keep your phone charged all day? Well, you're about to find out. All around Disney theme parks and Disney resort hotels, you'll find little kiosks that look like this. These are fuel rod kiosks. Fuel rods are portable charging devices that are reusable and exchangeable. For a one-time charge of $30, you can purchase a fuel rod kit, which comes with a portable charging device and a series of adapters, making this kit work with most phones, cameras, and other devices you might want with you in the parks. But in my opinion, the best thing about the fuel rod is that you don't have to recharge it like you do with other portable charging devices. You can exchange it for free once you've made your initial purchase at any fuel rod kiosk that you might find in a Disney park or a Disney resort hotel. For instance, we purchased our fuel rod in the lobby of Port Orleans Riverside, and we exchanged it all over Disney property. We're going to swap it. Then I'm going to put the empties around here. Voila! Brand new fuel rod. At the All-Star Resorts, the fuel rod kiosks are located outside the arcade. And at both Art of Animation and Pop Century, they're located near the ATM, close to the exit to the bus stop. At Port Orleans Riverside, the fuel rod kiosk can be found near the main check-in area, just down from the pressed penny machine. At Port Orleans French Quarter, the kiosk is also located near the check-in area. At Wilderness Lodge, you'll find the fuel rod kiosk located near the restrooms and the entrance to Whispering Canyon Cafe. And at the Grand Floridian, you can find the kiosk located in the Convention Center. We only showed you a sampling of the fuel rod kiosk locations on Disney property, but you can visit Disney's website to see a full list along with a map showing you where you can find the fuel rod kiosk nearest you, whether you're in a park, at Disney Springs, or in a Disney resort hotel. Personally, I think the fuel rods are really useful because I love having the ability to charge my devices on the go. I don't want to miss out on that memory I want to capture or that fast pass I want to book in the My Disney Experience app just because my phone wasn't charged. And I love the fact that I can exchange my empty fuel rod for a brand new fully charged version on the go. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.